The Lewis Ranch, 1,126 acres, is an exceptional combination ranch with both excellent hunting as well as productive grazing pastures of Bermuda, rye, native, Johnson, and other grasses. With the average annual precipitation ranging from about 39 to 42 inches in Cole County, there is ample water on this place with several good-sized ponds, a lake for the cattle and wildlife, and 2 seasonal creeks throughout the land. The current owner is running 150 cow-calf pairs on the property with cross-fencing into 5 pastures. Great ranch for the hunter since the property hasn't been hunted for years and the area is known for big bucks. This ranch is in an ideal location and easy access with the highway on one side and county roads on the other 3 sides. The quiet country town of Coalgate is just a 5-minute drive and the larger town of Atoka is 15 miles away. Come see this ranch today.